NBC4. This is Today in LA.
Cold temperatures rolled into Southern California this morning, but that doesn't mean your home energy bill is about to cool off. Lower temperatures and longer nights could mean bigger bills. That's right. Today in LA's Ted Chen has some cost-cutting tips.
Summer's wrapping up, and that means shorter days, more time indoors, and more lights on to jack up your expenses. But more than ever, compact fluorescent bulbs, or CFLs, can lighten your electricity bill. Vanessa McGrady of Southern California Edison says CFLs are more effective and more plentiful than ever.
That's right. This is not your father's CFL. Southern California Edison would like people to know that compact fluorescent bulbs, or CFLs, the little curly ones, are so much better than previous generations. You can dim them, they have nice warm lights, you can get them as floodlights, you can do pretty much anything with a CFL that you could do with another light.
They might be a little pricier now, but experts say CFLs can save you money in the long run because they last up to 10 times longer than incandescent bulbs, and they use 75% less energy and are great for the environment. Edison says if every Californian replaced 5 light bulbs with CFLs, it'd be the equivalent of taking some 400,000 cars off the roads. Also remember, electronics like computers can increase those power bills. Remember to unplug them when not in use and turn off power strips. Most power companies will actually send someone to your home to help you save energy.
They would look at your weather stripping, insulation, your lighting, wrapping your water heater, shower head, water conserving shower head. There are so many little things that people can do.
Finally, you can actually make money by getting rid of an old refrigerator and replacing it with a more energy efficient one. Edison offers up to $50 for the trade. More chilly days lie ahead, but that doesn't mean your electricity bill has to give you the chills. Ted Chen for Today in LA.